Simple diet plan for weight loss. Early morning. Before going to walk, drink black coffee without sugar. Breakfast 8 a.m. 2 slices of bran bread with 1 whole egg boiled or cooked in 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Minimum 30 minutes after breakfast you can drink 1 cup of tea made with fat-free milk and without sugar. Morning snack 11 to 12 p.m. Any 1 fruit of medium size, 1 apple or 1 peach or handful of grapes or 1 guava. Handful of mixed nuts. Lunch 2 p.m. Half chapati, 30 gram, with any salon, avoid potato. Vegetable salad 1 cup and 3 tablespoons of yogurt, without sugar. Evening snack 5 p.m. 1 cup of green tea. Dinner. 50 to 60 gram of grilled or air-fried chicken with some sauté vegetables. Brisk walk for 30 minutes before dinner or early morning. Journal guidelines. Sleep early at night. Cook your meal in less oil. It is a journal diet plan vary from person to person.